It is hot already. It's only 9:30 in the morning. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Dutty Boy D, and I'm here to talk about and get my G35 back because it's been a whole week I haven't had my car. All right, so as I just left the bank, driving my sister's second car, aka the loaner, the Mitsubishi Galant. So y'all stick tuned, drop a like, get in the comment section, let me know what you think of the video. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. All right, hit the house now. Look at my mom's G. We got my sister's G37. Alright guys, we are at Medina's Auto Repair. So if you're in the Greensboro, North Carolina area, need any auto repairs done to your vehicle, please hit up Medina's Auto Repair. It is 802 South Aycock St, right in front of Little John's. But I dropped the link in the description, the phone number and the address, so you guys can get anything that you want auto repair wise. Go to Medina's Auto Repair. All right, see, we got the front stance as low as it can pretty much go. It's the lowest that the rear will go right here. I like the look, love the look. So car and everything paid for. I'm going to grab a wheel alignment and then we'll break down cost and exactly everything that was done to the G35 within the last week. G35 in the picture as well. The only thing is with me now, speed bumps, man. Speed bumps is definitely going to be a problem. So I'm gonna have to figure out exactly how I'm gonna start going over these speed bumps. But like I said, got the Raceland Coilovers in there. You guys probably can't see it. You might see more so in the back. Well, can't really see that much. Oh, there you go. Might be able to get a little glimpse. But pretty much it's just about 2 fingers. While it sticks out, this one, it's maybe like 1. It's just tucked right inside. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this wheel alignment. I'll be back to chop it up with you guys in a few. So the main problem when I took it to the shop for, the Medina shop I showed you guys earlier in the video, what I took it for was the water pump. Can't really see it because everything's in the way. You gotta remove everything but the water pump, and to install the coilovers, right? But instead, I had a failing bad water pump, and along with a bad timing chain. Timing chain pretty much runs, yeah, you won't be able to see it. Timing chain pretty much runs on the timing chain cover. The tensioner was bad, tensioner was loose, was made the timing chain super loose as well. So that's already taken care of. I got a brand new timing chain. Part was ordered from Infinity, and then brand new water pump along with the coilover. So E85 pump and exhaust should be here next week. I already got the fuel pump already. Exhaust will be here soon. It's gonna be the single exit Soho. So this will be the last time I have these dual exhausts. I'm gonna put the Soho exhaust on it. But I'm gonna do a review video pretty much of the coilovers. Like I said, the water pump was $350. I bought the water pump for like 60 bucks from Z1 Motorsports, but installment was about $350. The coilovers itself, I got it for $500 from Raceland Coilovers. Coilovers itself, to get installed, charged me $250 for that. Adjusted it nicely, as y'all can see again. Back sit pretty good. Fronts is tucked. These are 20s, by the way. Fronts are tucked. And then also with the timing chain, tensioner, and all that good stuff, it came up to a total of $1,400. All right, so not that bad. Everything pretty much in the car is pretty much brand new. The only thing I have to look into getting, and this won't be nowhere time soon, will be brand new engine. I want to get a 3.7 swap to the G37 engine inside of it, along with the G37 7-speed automatic transmission. All right, so it'll have, give me about some time on these coilovers, and I will give you guys a review on them. 100% not biased. So drop a like and comment in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, and subscribe to the channel. That's it.